Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve an interesting geometry problem. We have a right angle triangle. Consider this triangle is A, B, C. And there is a circle inside this triangle touching these three sides of this triangle, such that this length is 6 unit and this length, this is 10 unit. We have to find the radius of this circle. Consider this is the center of this circle. Now draw three perpendicular lines from this center to these three lines. And if the center of this circle considered as O and this point as D and this point as E and this point as F. If the radius of this circle is X, then this DO, this line indicate the radius of this circle, this will also be X. And this EO, this is X unit because this is the radius of this circle, and OF, this is also radius, that means this is also X. Now this BEOD, in here this angle is 90 degree and this two angle is also right angle because these two lines are perpendicular. So rest of this angle is also 90 degree. As these two sides are equal, so this BEOD, this is a square. As this is a square, all of this side will be equal. As this is X, so this will also be X and this is also X. That means this BD is X and BE is X. Now AD and AF, these two lines are the tangent of this circle and meets at point A. So these two tangent will be equal. That means AF is equal to AD. As AF is 6 unit, so this AD, this will also be 6 unit. Similarly, in these two tangent, FC and EC meets at point C. So this FC is equal to this EC. As FC is 10 unit, so this EC, this will also be 10 unit. Now in triangle ABC, this is a right angle triangle. So applying Pythagoras theorem, we can write AB square plus this base square BC square is equal to this hypotenuse square, which is AC square, or AB square, this AB, that means BD plus DA. BD is X unit and DA is 6 unit, so the total length is X plus 6 unit. So X plus 6, this is AB and whole square, plus BC square. BC is BE plus EC. BE is X unit and EC is 10 unit. So BC will be X plus 10 unit. So X plus 10, this is BC and whole square is equal to AC square. This AC is this 6 plus 10, that means 16 unit. So 16 square. Or applying formula A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus twice AB plus B square, we will get X square plus 2 times X times 6 plus 6 square, plus similarly applying this formula here, we get X square plus 2 times X times 10 plus 10 square is equal to this 16 square, it will be 256, or this x square plus 2 times 6 is 12, and this x 12x plus 6 square is 36 plus this x square plus 2 times 10 is 20, so 20x plus 10 square is 100 is equal to, right side is 256, or this x square and this x square 2x square plus this 12x and this 20x is 32x plus this 36 and this 100 is 136 is equal to, right side 256, or taking this 136 to right side, we will get 2x square plus this 32x is equal to 256 minus this 136, or left side this 2x square plus this 32x is equal to 256 minus 136, this is 120. Now divided both side by 2, we will get here x square plus 32x divided by 2 is 16x is equal to 120 divided by 2 is 60, or this x square plus this 16x as 2 times x times, so here 16x and there is 2, so 8. This is 16x plus this 8 square. As we form a formula, a square plus 2 ab plus b square, and we have taken this 8 square extra, so add this 8 square to right side also, that means 60 plus this 8 square. The 8 square will cancel from both sides, or left side is a formula a plus b whole square, so x plus 8 whole square is equal to this 60 plus 8 square is 64 is equal to 60 plus 64 is 124. Now taking square root to both sides, we will get left side x plus 8 is equal to, right side will be plus or minus square root of 124, or taking this 8 to right side, we will get x is equal to plus or minus this square root of 124 minus this 8. But the radius of this circle is positive, so the value of x, this will be here positive square root of 124 minus 8, and this is the radius of this circle. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.